Hi friends, welcome back to another tutorial in the series Tech in Minutes. Today we are going to talk about how you can upload files to your Google Drive. First, you need to have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, check my previous video on how to create a Gmail account. And once you have a Gmail account, you can log into your email and Google will basically give you free accounts on Google Drive, Google Business, Gmail, YouTube, Gemini, like all Google products. So now we have Drive. You can just click on this Drive and you can see this is my Google Drive and the stuff that I have. So it is basically a cloud storage platform that helps you save files instead of keeping them on your computer. In case your computer gets lost or it gets spoiled, you can still access your files if you store them in Google Drive from anywhere. So that's why it is important to have a cloud storage. Now, first things first, we open Google Drive. Now see, we are in our Google Drive. And then we click on the new button. You can click on the new button and here you'll see all the options. Create a new folder, upload a file, or upload a folder, or create documents. You can create actually different types of documents here in Google Drive. So now let me show you how to create a new folder. I'll create a new folder. I'll just call it backup. You can give it any name that you want. So I'm going to call it backup. Then inside the backup folder, you can drop files here. So I can just minimize it. Go to my desktop and I'll just move these files here. And when I do, you can see my files have been uploaded. You see it shows here, uploaded. Or alternatively, you just right click and then you do this. This is a folder. So you can also upload a file by just choosing, let's say, this image, and you see here it gets uploaded and here you go. It's uploaded. So you can upload a file, a folder, or you can create documents. Like you can create Google Documents, Google Sheets, slides, videos, forms, and many more. And you just have it stored. Now, in the future, if you want to access your items, you just go back to your drive and you go to backup. And then you can download this entire folder and then access your documents again. So you never ever have to lose your documents. So you can check on your uploaded file. You can see if I open this, you can see what I have in my files. And then I can just go back and also click on the image that I put here. And basically that is how. And it helps you, especially when you lose your device or something happens to your computer. You never know what is going to happen to your computer or anything. Now, you can also use Google Drive on your phone as well. It's just the same process, and you can choose to use the Drive as the app, and Google normally gives you all those web and app version. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.